2023 Ghana project ayeye sika ye diye no eye $18.2 billion. Oh my God.
This is we just selected 30.
I see.
And when you put the figure together of the 30, $18.4 billion.
That is how stupid we are as people. That is how stupid we are. We don't have sense. Anything that makes us a Trump, or cast your bombing Ghana. You're bombing Ghana first.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, I Xposed GH, my friend Ben Bruce. Subscribe, na share, na editing plan no be any. Fiti enra ekosi enemenai. Enye se me yare o. Na me hwe kwasi asema ye Ghanaian politics yes omo ya. Na enye se nipa da. Ai. When they will say they be make catch say it's not about NPP and DC. It's not about anything. It's about Mother Ghana. Joma buy no or set up committee. Your friend Oral, Operation Loot, Operation Recover or Loot, whatever. Chairman no Okujetu. Na enra adu odebe to abontino. And I make catch them who say time na Trump, your president, because he am bomb Africa. Next time come bomb Africa. Because Jimmy no a degree in you baby a degree na do. And you out of degree. Jimmy no and you out of degree. Now what there I said na make my me ya. Person ko heba. 18.2 billion in 2023 only. Ghana sika ye di ye top.
Expose that we made, you know. So now when you put
I don't want us to rush through this.
Yes.
So we're gonna end here. This is just the first part.
Yes.
Because I see that there are quite a lot.
Yes. And when you let me just this is we just selected 30.
I see.
And when you put the figure together of the 30, $18.4 billion. Can you believe that?
$18.4 billion.
Billion dollars.
And the list of all what we have done.
Yes. So what can be potentially retrieved, recovered? 18.4 billion.
And there is
this is just 30 of the scandals.
And there's a probability of being able to recover.
Absolutely. The Auditor General is saying that. The Auditor General is saying that if we have political will, if we decide to go after these people, we can retrieve. The Auditor General uses the word recoverable. That we can retrieve these money.
That's 8.8 billion out of the 18.4. He says we can recover.
We can recover $18.4 billion, and this is just the financial losses. I was going to go to state capture very quickly.
Oh, Jimmy no Samihu say the Ghanaian yo said the Timodin so minim at the highest level. Ghana. When your friends the Kennedy kind will say Ghana, we don't need to go to IMF, and I will explain to you why. Ghana, you call IMF on my conditions. You call $3 billion for 3 years and 3 years. It's every year be a amount some 3 billion. Now 2023 Ghana project ayeye sika ye diye no. $18.2 billion. Oh my God. That is how stupid we are as people. That is how stupid we are. We don't have sense. Anything that makes us a Trump, or cast your bombing Ghana. You're bombing Ghana first. Why are you again? Because so what? How do you go to IMF for 3 billion and then you let 18-point-something billion go to waste in 1 year? When Jimmy? Meanwhile, the 3 billion was for 3 years. Now, Charlie, this thing here, I'm telling you, you made the actually. Oh, yeah, what this can be. I don't know, Master, to me catch now. Me say me jina ha and jina Jehovah dimu what this can obewu. I'm telling you. Because a jimmy say enemy Ghana for bread. Yensuo ma light ma. Look at the education system in tatters. Ejuma ni ho na kwabna ne mutimi di 18.2 billion dia na bujimie no extraordinary out of this world. We are not 3 billion if IMF for say the Bible save Ghana. What sort of stupidity is this? We nyasabe the womb. Nyasabe pa the womb. We I have a personal campaign say Jimmy way it needs to stop. No yo scandal beer involving allegedly the president's daughter. And the boyfriend on Ghana ni po Nigeria ni kwasi ani. I want this kind of gunning. You go to no somra.
Read this and I wanted to authenticate it from you that you're saying that as far as you do know, the persons behind this ambulance case have left the country.
They've left the country. They left on the 26th and 27th of November. 3 of them, 3 key architects. Stephen Okoro, the business partner. Remember that he, together with Jankruma Akufo-Addo, Edwina Akufo-Addo, formed Good Grow Company, formed the SFO Company Limited, and other companies, conglomerate of companies. Most of them formed when the president came into office. They have fled. Stephen Okoro, Frank Ajekum, and then Vivian Oponchicheku.
But if but
fortunately, you've been monitoring the engagement with the diplomatic community. All of them are pledging their support for Aura. You heard the UN team. You've heard other diplomats. They're saying that look, they will give us all the international collaboration that we need. So those who think that they are running out, look. This country now is this world now is a very small village. You will be found out. So I don't think that running away will save anybody.
Also, I'm trying to hold myself back. Because and again, the Nippon what this can work so what they are not here. The Muslim and Okofa Nigeria the boyfriend. Like when you're gonna need Bemabia or a fit for Nigeria the boyfriend. What buying what this scam? Now we need any fraud people way who Okofa as a boyfriend. Now what Jimmy? What Jimmy? Massa, this thing needs to be investigated. Every person who is where has to be jailed, and your jail only we need to recover everything. Sell their properties, or more money they ain't tomo. You bet tomo ma, ya tomo yere, ya tomo bia, you bet discano. But you prepare. Because you now, and Ghana and every day. Touch your banana, kwasia for being discano. Alpha. When and you see the economists, what do you mean? Me want this guy. 18.2 billion. Do you know what 18.2 billion can even do for America? What are we talking about? It's gonna be a say, Ghana said blessing when you actually see a bread yet. Now you Jimmy and Yago Pon Tiasio. You Jimmy when you mean Tiasie. God, the maybe one man. Oh, yeah, yes, but when the Democrats have been Ghana for Jimmy and Nasie, why you Jimmy away and just ultimately 18.2 billion. Oh, what a shock. But don't worry, we'll get the money. I Xposed GH. Subscribe and share the 2 partners I can be manual.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.